Sorry about that. So I see definitely free fluid in the pelvis, which is concerning to me. Free fluid for us is blood. And given that
hello, cotton ball.
And we see every single indication of that you had a rupture
like the camera.
We're going to recommend that you go to the
oh, you going?
repair this.
You going? You want the camera?
Yeah, I'm lucky that I attended to it quickly.
Look up here.
Massively, nothing bleeding worse. Like
here it is.
About 8 liters of blood from the abdomen.
Here's the camera. We get it? We get it? Oh, you got it. You like the camera, don't you?
I'm scared. I'm nervous.
You like it, don't you?
I don't know what to say.
We are closing up in. We've replaced our nerve from this point to here.
I'll run. Good job, good job.
Barbara, push against my finger. Push. Good. Feel anything in here? I was worried that, we may have.
You're silly, girl.
You're
silly.
That, but I'm glad to see she can still use it.
Can't wait to see her now. I'll give her a gift.